Philadelphia Asbestos Removal Experts Contractor CSI. When planning demolition, renovation, or remodeling projects, owners and contractors must be concerned with risking exposure to asbestos dust. Asbestos is a hazardous waste. Asbestos removal should never be a do-it-yourself project. Never risk your or your family's health by trying to remove asbestos yourself. Because of the severe health effects, especially cancer, which is associated with exposure to asbestos materials, asbestos removal should only be done by experienced, licensed contractors. Asbestos is a known human carcinogen. If it is removed improperly, it can cause your home to be seriously contaminated, putting everyone in your home at risk. Our certified technicians use specialized equipment and modern techniques to safely remove and properly dispose of asbestos materials and all hazardous waste. We are committed to bringing you the highest level of service and safety to your project. Call us today for a free estimate, 215-688-5840. Contractor CSI, 215-688-5840.